At FloQast, we build close management software. We are created by accountants for accountants, and our goal is pretty simple. We want to help you close your books faster and more accurately. One of our core tenets is to not change the way you're working today. We integrate directly with Excel, directly with your ERP. That enables us to pull down all the data that we need to automate that tie-out and reconciliation process. We regularly hear from clients that the FloQast implementation is the smoothest one they've ever had. Once that implementation is complete, we found user adoption is incredibly high and the team is using it in that first month. And then finally is the support you get on the back end. Customer service is the most important thing to us at FloQast. We've invested very heavily in our implementation team and very heavily in our account management team. So when you call FloQast, you call a person, not a hotline, and that's something we're really proud of. I love FloQast. I'm confident you'll love FloQast. Check out a demo to learn more about how we can help you own your close.